What's up everybody, welcome back to channel CodeX. I'm your host Afzal, and in today's live stream we are going to talk about different things currently going on inside Flutter, inside development, and all those random stuff we are going to talk. So this is going to be fun live stream. Alok Maurya is asking, what about Flutter Web? So Flutter Web, as you all know, it's called Hummingbird, and we don't really know when it's going to start. But of course, we have the timeline that it will start soon in mid of 2021. And I expect that we have the event on 3rd March of this year. So I'm expecting that they will announce this Hummingbird project in that, because currently Flutter Web is in beta and you have to switch the channel for it, and it's really a hectic work. All right, so the people who have just joined, hello, welcome to live stream. Ping in the comment section from where you're joining so that I can know which part of the world people are listening to me, and also to greet you. And let me know if you are joining for the first time or you're a regular viewer, and your feedbacks about the videos previously what I have done. So it's gonna be a fun stream, like nothing hard and fast, nothing on the technical aspect that much. So Mohammed Monid, let me tell you that we don't really know at this point which websites have been developed, because Flutter Web is still in beta. Like, people are hesitating to try it, and of course they should, because Flutter itself is saying that they are in beta, right? So as of now, like, they don't list any website on their Flutter official site because it's in beta. So hopefully in a couple of months we'll get that announcement from the Flutter channel that now they are stable and they will start listing all the websites, and it will be good for us, right? And even I'm doing one of the project in Flutter Web, which is like my personal project, and I'm planning, once the Flutter is in stable, I'm going to put that live. So still it's under development, I cannot comment on that. Okay, so another comment from Sabir Muhammad. He's saying, do you use CodeX CLI? Okay, it's amazing. It scaffold on your app in a nice way. So Sabir, let me tell you that I have only used the CodeX package, which comes for the Flutter front-end application. The CLI tool and the other tools which they have, I haven't explored yet, so sorry about that. Okay, Sam Victor has joined from Nigeria. Welcome to live stream, Sam. I hope you will enjoy, and you're a regular viewer, so thank you so much for joining this live stream. All right. Okay, so let me know, guys, what project you are working on, which block pattern you guys are which technique for state management you guys are using. Block pattern came in my mind because I was thinking all the different state management thing. So which state management you prefer, and why do you prefer that? So let's have a discussion on that. And before we jump into that discussion, let me tell you that I have one announcement to make at the end of the video, and this will be like cool thing for you, for me, both of us. So stay tuned and watch this live stream and have some fun. So let me know which state management you use and why. Okay, let me check if is there anything going wrong, anything which I should take care of. Yeah, everything is fine. Mehdi Hassan from Bangladesh with lots of love. Thank you so much, Mehdi Hassan. Your comment needs to be featured, and of course I'll do that once I have that in my this StreamYards tool. So I'm just waiting for your reply, which state management you prefer and why do you prefer that. And let me know in the comment section. I have also posted this question in my community tab. That time a lot of people replied with CodeX. They are using CodeX because of its simplicity, its power, its the performance, and everything was fine with CodeX, and a good tutorial as well from CodeX channel. So let me know which state management you guys are using. Okay, Amit Singh is saying we want a GetX tutorial with TDD and clean architecture. So brother, I have shown many tutorials, like almost 4 or 5 tutorials I have provided on GetX with the proper architecture, like how you keep model, how you keep MVC pattern you follow, model, view and controller. And that's all about you know, the basic architecture in the terms of a folder structure, right? Because you have asked about the clean architecture, means the folder structure I'm considering, right? And otherwise, other architecture, if you're asking, so it works on MVC pattern, so you don't have to bother about the different architecture or like how it works internally. Everything is fine. Himanshu Mishra. Hello Himanshu, how are you doing? Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Himanshu is our all-time viewer, like he always joined the live stream. I must highlight his comment. Yes, Tahtali Sofin, this is what we are talking about, the organization of code in a big project. So the first thing which I like about Flutter, they keep their like entire source code in one folder called lib. So that is very important. Unlike if you work on Xamarin, they have a different projects for you know, Android project, iOS project and the PCL project. So it's kind of a little bit tedious when you're writing all those code in different projects, but here it's a lot more organized. And talking about the folder structure, it all depends on your test, like how you want to keep it organized. But the general rule of thumb is you have to keep the views folder, you have to keep the controller folder, the models and the utils, all those folders you have to keep in the place. And then you add on like for one functionality. Say for example, you have a registration flow which requires some controller, some views and all those things. So inside views you can create one registration folder, inside model you can create one registration folder, or inside a controller also you can create registration folder. So everything related to registration lies inside the registration folder. So that is how you proceed. Like that is what I follow in my projects, and it is very helpful. Whenever I'm navigating through views, I can just click on the views, registration and head to the page directly. So that's a simple approach. Okay, Harsh Kumar is saying I use stacked for state management because it also provides functionality with context, less navigation as well. So stacked is something I have never heard of. Like is it a package or you're talking about something inbuilt? I'm not sure. All right. So Mehdi Hassan is using GetX. Great choice. Perfect. So guys, talking about our channel members, a lot of people have taken membership. Not a lot. 2 people recently in this month have taken a membership, which I need to give them a shout out as the perk given. So let me just put their banner in place. So Ram Krishna Shai is the member of CodeX who has joined 10 days back, and Jen Ko, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, who has joined the channel CodeX, and he's a member now. So with members, with like being a member of CodeX, you get a lot of access to the emojis, to behind the scene, to early access of the videos, and a lot of other discussion, and one dedicated video per month. So I will recommend you guys also, if you want to contribute to the channel CodeX and get some, you know, benefits on behalf, so you can consider subscribing the channel and joining the channel as well. I'm making a lot of mistake today, but please ignore it. It happens in hurry because, you know, my timing, I have to frame this live stream between 6:30 to 7:30 or like so, and it changes always because of the prayer timings. I don't want you know, to do live stream in between the prayer timings, because then Salah will be there, then Azan sound will be coming. So I just take this time frame, and always I am in a little bit hurry, setting up the lighting, setting up the camera, setting up this chat stream, everything. So just ignore that, and let me know in the comment section how you guys like my tutorial on the text field which I recently did. So if you have seen that text filled video? Let me know in the comment section, and let me know also overall how you are liking CodeX channel, how you like the content of the CodeX, so that I can improve as well. Okay, Himanshu has written a comment. I have to develop music player app, so I want to know which state management should I follow, and also I want that app to work on smartwatches and smart TV. Please reply. So Himanshu, like state management doesn't have anything to do with your smartwatch or smart TV. It's just a way of, like, it's just a simple Dart code. So if it is working with your app, it will work with your smartwatch or smart TV. So no doubt in there. You can choose any of the state management which you prefer, or without any state management you can even do with the set state. So not a big deal there. But of course, for smartwatch and smart TV, you need to check the support with the native platform, like how you are going to extend that for the native platform. So that is something which doesn't Flutter doesn't provide out of the box. So that you have to consider more than the state management. You have to think about the platform support which you are targeting. All right, perfect. So guys, make sure to subscribe the channel, and if you haven't already, I consider that almost majority of the viewers who are watching right now have subscribed already, and like this video so that it reaches to majority of the people who you know. And now moving toward the announcement which we have today is about the brand new website of channel CodeX. So let me show you guys as well in a moment about just few questions. Okay, Robin Singh is asking, any good idea for minor project for college and resume? Robin Singh, I hope this profile picture is not yours, because that will be too young to develop project. Like, it's not a crime, but of course, are you doing any Red Hat Junior or something like that? So yeah, just kidding. It could be his brother or his nephew or anyone. Just a random question. All right. So for minor projects, you can take something like to do or notes taking application, grocery management, or like monthly expense application. Those are simple and has like a very simple concept. You just input something, you just list it out and make a sum of that total amount. It's that simple. So I will recommend you to go ahead with a expense tracking application where someone does expense and they input inside their application, and next time they see all the expense, and monthly also you can show like this month you have expended this much. So that will be a very good you know, minor project for your college, or not for resume, but of course for college. All right, so moving ahead to our announcement. All right, so I'm gonna keep this live stream very short. So I'm just going to do the announcement, and then we'll discuss few things here and there. You guys can ask your questions as well, and then we will finally end the live stream. And one more announcement I have to make before I show you the you know, actual website. So just hold on for that as well. Why this comment is not loading? It's very bad. I can see a lot of comments coming inside my live stream panel, but the StreamYards panel, which I'm using to show the banner, there it's not coming up. Very bad, very bad. Okay. Okay, so let's make an announcement by the time it comes up. So as I told that I created my own website for the channel CodeX, and it has, you know, let me show you. Instead of talking, let me show it. All right, and go to screen recording, face cam, overlay is not there. Perfect. Yeah, here we are. So you can go to website codexdev.net. If you can see it, it's here, codexdev.net, and there you can find all the blogs, like all the videos I make. I'm going to convert them in the form of blog. So the people who like to read instead of watch, they will be get benefit out of that. So let me know the first impression, how you like the website. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it okay? Like what do you feel about this website? I need your honest review on that. So this is the home page of it, and this is the blog section where you're gonna see all the blogs which I write. Currently it's showing the only one blog which I have on the text field, which you can see over here, and you can go inside, you can read everything. And of course, one thing you have to make sure that you subscribe to the blogs so that you get regular updates. It's not a YouTube subscription, it's a blog subscription. So you go to the website codexdev.net. Here's the website, and go to blogs and subscribe it. It's free, of course. And then you have this about section where I have written some pathetic lines just out of to complete the website. But of course I'm gonna work on it, I'm gonna enhance it, I'm gonna fix all those lines. This is just random lines I have picked, so don't go on that. And of course you can subscribe to channel CodeX as well. And then finally, the contact page where you can write directly to me your concerns about programming, your project requirement, anything you want to ask. This whenever you submit this form, it directly comes to me, and I have I read all of them. So you can go ahead and write your query, your requirement, your collaboration request, anything you want to ask. Just select the purpose and write it there. So I hope it will be helpful. We'll be able to contact each other with that way. And just let me know in the comment section how you like this website. Is it good, bad, or in between? Or how much will you rate this website? So I got ton of comments, which is still it's not showing here for some reason. Okay, nevertheless, let me switch to my clean intro. Perfect. Now my camera should be visible, entire video. Okay. Wasim Momin is asking, is it in Flutter? No brother, it's not in Flutter. It is done in WordPress. I have taken a help from one of my college friend, and who actually does this all website development. So I just took his help and developed this website. Amit Singh is saying it's cool. Thank you so much, Amit Singh. And Himanshu also, it's nice. Is it in Flutter? No. So I doubted this thing when I show my website. A lot of people will think that it is done in Flutter, because being a Flutter developer, that is what you expect, that at least you develop your own website in Flutter. But it's not at this point of time. It is done in WordPress. Sorry, I got a mail notification. I was reading that. So somebody has already subscribed for the blog, and that was the notification. So you can subscribe right away. It will come directly to me. I'll give 8 out of 10. Thank you so much, Amit Singh. It really means a lot. I tried to put a lot of work in there, but being a mobile developer and being so busy nowadays, I literally find a time to work on website and develop something and modify the content and modify and write all those all those blog article. It's very difficult to manage the time, but of course we have to grow our channel, we have to grow our community, we have to spread the knowledge in the form of video, in the form of text, and every way possible, or maybe in terms of course as well. So who knows, someday I will produce some courses on Flutter, some courses on mobile development, anything. We just have to grow ourselves, right, somehow. All right, so that was the one announcement which I have to make. My website, and a lot of people have liked it. Thank you so much for that. And I got a comment from Robin Singh. I'm a mobile developer with 6 months experience as intern, so need some good ideas for how to get further with Flutter, which will be good for resume. By the way, really nice website. Thank you so much. So let me put one comment before I answer to that. Hello, Keen Alan Imam. He's watching from Philippines. Thank you so much for joining. He just finished his Flutter Philippines online meetup. Great. All right. So yeah, that is a good thing. Around the world, Flutter community is active, and they are doing meetups. They are doing 30 days challenge is going on, like not challenge, 30 days, it's a learning process, so you can join that as well. Let me know in the comment section if anybody has taken that 30-day course. For Flutter I tried to join, but I didn't get a seat. Just out of like curiosity, I wanted to know what content they are going to teach, so that I can also be updated, like what is the process and how they are teaching. So but I didn't get the chance to enroll in that. But let me know in the comment section if you guys have enrolled in 30 days of Flutter. And to answer your question, Robin Singh, for interns, like you can think about any in daily life, whatever you do, you can try to convert that into mobile application. Just like I said, for the expense calculator, this is what something everybody does. Like they buy a grocery, they go to a restaurant, they eat something, and they, like at the end of the month, they want to know what is their monthly expense. Similarly, you can do for multiple other things, like you want to create a reminder sort of stuff, where you can just put the reminder, get a local notification, like that. You can work on multiple projects. It's really cool. Okay, 30 days of Flutter. Keen Allen, so let me know, have you joined that? Just the basics. Does it cover only the basic concepts like installation, then about the widgets, or it has like full-fledged project with the Firebase integration, or like I don't really know what is their content. All right. Vikas Dubey, one of my old friend, he's saying he will rate 7 out of 10, which is good at least, and he will explore entire site soon. Thank you so much, Vikas, for giving your time. You can submit your reviews and feedbacks, anything, directly to me on WhatsApp, so that will be really cool. Yeah, actually I did that testing part, just out of development. Today I'm like publishing, and I'm just announcing that I should have sent it to a couple of my friends who can review, who can guide them. This should be like that, this should be, yeah, I should have done that before. Anyways, now it's live. You guys can write, even you can contact me for the review purpose also, like if you think that something can be improved, or if you want to contribute to that website, that will be really helpful by providing the bugs or by providing the content suggestion. That will be really helpful. Thank you so much, Vikas, for highlighting this point. And our live stream, let me just check our live stream, how it is going, and disable this comment for now. All right, so the live stream is going really good, and a lot of people have been commenting is in YouTube, and will be providing some resources. So Tech with Dinesh is saying they are going live at 30 days of live in YouTube, and will be providing some resources. Okay, and what this resources is about, I think a basic stuff only. Yeah, so Amit Singh is saying right now they teach basic only, but of course after like 10 or 15 sessions they will start teaching the advanced part, and state management, all those things will be covered, I'm quite sure. I wanted to be there, but for some reason I didn't get the chance. Like I enrolled late, maybe that's why the Google form link was expired by that time. So okay, Harish Kumar is asking a question. Can we use multiple servers? Can we use multiple servers in Flutter 1 application? Of course you can do, because at the end of the day, when you're making HTTP call, you just have to provide the URL where your call is going. So you can use n number of servers. There's no restriction on that, unless you have the public URL, of course. So of course you can use multiple servers in your Flutter application. There's no restriction on that. Okay. Kian Allen is saying they're starting on the basics. Maybe soon they will teach how to implement Firebase. They also teach how to contribute to open source project. That is really a good thing, because contributing to the community is really important. Like you don't just have to create a project for yourself. You should contribute to the community as well. Like create a GitHub projects for the people. Like I have total 37 or I don't know, like 30-40 projects on my GitHub which has like all open source, the card flip, the design tutorials, the CodeX tutorial, everything is available. And the biggest project which I have, like open source project, is that clock application which a lot of people are using. And this card also I have seen in one of the application they are utilizing as it is from my source. So that is a really good thing to contribute to the community, so we should do that, of course. Okay. Himanshu Mishra is asking for the link. I'm not sure which link. Ankit Vish, maybe people have joined just now, so I'll just copy paste the link in the chat box. Here you go guys, codexdev.net. Okay, this is my website where you can find all those awesome content in the written material. Okay, and let me put a banner as well real quick. CodeX, come on, codexdev.net. It's that simple. Perfect. So this is the website for my channel, and there I have planned to add all the blogs for my videos, and also in future I'll be doing some online courses also via this website. So make sure that you subscribe to the blogs and you keep visiting this website, and you can also give me feedback right now about this website so that I will enhance it. Okay, things are going good. So that's all. I was about to do some announcement, but I think I forgot. Yeah, I remember now. So that announcement was regarding the schedule. I'm going to go live on CodeX channel. Yeah, where else? So I'm planning to go live every Saturday so that we can discuss the things going on in the tech world related to Flutter, related to mobile, related to, you know, other technologies like React Native, Xamarin, what are their updates coming, what we should do, what projects we should choose, what projects you guys are doing, what new things I'm doing. Like with this live stream, we all will be able to share our knowledge, and I would not mind if someone of you want to, you know, share their screen or share their video, like their face, they want to come in the live stream. We can do that with the help of StreamYard. So if any one of you is interested to, you know, showcase something to the people on this channel, you are most welcome. You can go ahead to the codexdev.net and you can write a request for collaboration, so that we can do a weekly live stream targeting all the tech specs, tech things going on related to mobile development, related to Flutter, related to other technologies, and what should we you know, do as a developer. So that is one of the thing, every Saturday live stream, and I'm planning to upload a video on every Wednesday. So that will, like you know, it will not be a fixed schedule, of course, because it is quite unimpossible for me to manage that much time, but I will try to achieve that. So every Wednesday one video, and every Saturday one live stream. Let me know how that sound cool, or it's it should be more frequent, or I should just skip that live stream thing because it's not good. Whatever your comment, let me know. What should I do? Should I stick to the current pattern where I upload video on every weekend, or should I just do what I have said earlier, like every Wednesday one video, and every Saturday we should do one live stream to get the feedbacks from you guys, to know each other well, to know what is happening in the tech world. So hit the comment section, guys. I just want to know that. Okay, Sam Victor has asked something. Please sir, can you make a full shop app with the backend APIs, not Firebase, from the login to checkout? I really need the experience. Sam Victor, that I think will not be possible, because I don't have that much access to the APIs. I cannot create those APIs myself. With Firebase, it's quite possible. As a project, we can create that project and we can do in a multiple videos in one series, I can complete that. But that also requires a lot of planning and a lot of that requires a series, so I cannot promise you. But of course with Firebase we can do, but APIs, it's not possible. Sorry about that. All right, so things are going good. Thank you so much guys for joining the live stream once again. And yeah, this is a right time to end the live stream on the right note. Okay, I'm just checking how the stream is going. So thank you so much guys for joining today's live stream. This was just an announcement live stream. I just wanted to say hi to you guys. I just wanted to hear from you, like what is going up, how's everything. And I have we have a good live stream today, right? So thank you so much guys for joining. And as I said, every Wednesday one video on Flutter topic, on different topics. And one more thing, if you have attended my live second last live stream, there I said as a roadmap I'm going to do videos on React Native as well, and there will be video by end of the year on Xamarin as well. Now why I'm choosing to do video on Xamarin at the end of the year, because Xamarin is completely shifting their architecture, their how currently it is, like Xamarin Forms, they're shifting to the new thing called MAUI. Okay, so we're gonna have that by end of this year, or maybe like mid of this year. So by the time I will start creating tutorials on that, because Xamarin is really good platform. See, we don't have to compare all the platforms together. Everyone has their own benefits and their own drawbacks as well. But Xamarin being a part of Microsoft, it's really stable. And even like any organization want to go with the Xamarin, because Microsoft is more stable in terms of organization. Like they have proper planned things. In terms of Google, they're very unstable. Anytime they can ask that we are changing to this one, we are sunsetting this project. So they are very bad in that. So of course for personal project it is very good, but we have to look at other option as well. So targeting that, I'm going to cover React Native by second half of this year, by maybe March or April, we can say. Not the second half, but quarter. After one quarter I'm going to cover the React Native, and at the end of the year I'm going to cover the Xamarin tutorial as well. So if you haven't subscribed till now, this is the time you subscribe the channel, and you take subscription, like you take a membership of the channel. If you want to contribute, you can go ahead on Buy Me Coffee as well, and you can contribute to the channel there. And if you like any of my GitHub project, you can go ahead and give it a star. It really means a lot to me. And yes, thank you so much guys for joining the live stream. Vikas Dubey is asking any alternative session. Alternative session for what? Like, and guys, I just want to know, is this time suitable for live stream? Because I see a lot of people are available on this timing. So let me know about the timing as well. You just have to mention in the form of +1 or -1 or +2 or -2. So currently I came live at 6:30 Gulf Standard Time. So whatever is your time, just say +1 hour, +2 hour, or -1, -2, or like that, so that I can shift it accordingly if it's suitable for a lot of audience. So I just want that input as well, and then we will end this live stream. Okay. Sam Victor asking, okay, a login video where if user are logged in the app starts the home page, if not logged in, the onboarding page. Sam Victor, this is very basic thing. You can just keep a flag inside your application. Okay, and what it really means is that you have stored the credential of the user, okay, or the authentication token. So whenever you log in, you just check the flag that user has clicked remember me, okay, using the credential or using the authentication token, which is more appropriate way. You just call the server again and directly jump them, skip the login part and jump user to dashboard. Otherwise you just open the login page. So it's that simple. You can do it easily. If you want more personal help, like you can join the Discord server and ping in there, and a lot of people are there to help you out. Okay, Bahadur Munda is also a Xamarin developer. Great. Working with Xamarin is a great experience, I can say. even with Flutter, we get a lot of customization thing, right? Mighty is done. Okay, GetX with refresh indicator. Okay, Ajay Kamble noted for the future videos. So guys, I just want to know about the timings. If is it I can consider that nobody has replied, means it is a good timing to do a live stream. So every Saturday around 6:30 Gulf Standard Time. So in India it's like 8 o'clock, and rest of the part of the world I don't know. So yeah, 6:30 Gulf time is a good time to do live stream, and every Wednesday one video. So that's the plan. I hope a lot more people will join in next live stream, because this was just, you know, a random technical conversation where I just wanted to get in touch with you guys to know what is going up, and I wanted to make this announcement of website as well. All right guys, thank you so much once again. I'm repeating myself, I know. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. I'll see you guys in the next video.